clever parrot.
"My lovely green parrot," says the merchant, "I love you in your cage. You can speak and sing." "I don't love you," the parrot thinks. The parrot doesn't love the cage. He is very sad in the cage. "I'm going to India," the merchant says one day. "Do you want anything from India?" he asks. His servants want a lot of things from the merchant. "I want a coat," a man says. "I want a bottle of perfume," the other servant says. The merchant goes into the parrot's room. "What do you want from me?" the merchant asks the parrot.
"Tell my parrot friends about me," says the parrot. "He is very sad in his cage. Say this to my friends in India," says the parrot.
"Okay," says the merchant. The merchant gets on his camel. "Goodbye, everybody," he says. "I am going." The parrot looks at the merchant through the window. For many days, the merchant goes on his camel. He is very tired. It is a long journey. He sees some parrots on the way. He comes near the parrots. "Hi, parrots," he says.
"Hi,"
say the parrots. "I am going to India." "I have a parrot," the merchant says. "My parrot says I am unhappy in my cage." The parrots listen to him. The merchant says, "My parrot wants me to tell you about his life. He sends you all his love." Then one of the parrots falls down. The merchant is very surprised and sorry. "This is because of me," the merchant says, and he cries. Then he arrives in India. The merchant finishes his business. He goes back to his home on his camel. His two servants welcome him. "This is your perfume. This is your coat," says the merchant to his servants. They are very happy. They thank the merchant. "My beautiful parrot," the merchant says. He enters the parrot's room.
"I am lonely, very lonely,"
the parrot is singing meanwhile.
"How are my friends?"
the parrot asks the merchant. "One of them is dead," says the merchant. "When they learn your story, one of them is dead." The parrot listens to the merchant and he falls down. The merchant is very sad. He takes his parrot from the cage. "You are dead, my lovely parrot," he says. He puts the parrot near the window. The parrot begins to fly then. "Oh, you are living," the merchant says, very surprised.
"Yes, my friend in India shows me how to escape from this cage,"
says the parrot.